How's everybody doing today? It's a hot, muggy evening down here in Arkansas, and we have got to fix the backhoe today. When we were clearing out for the trees, I don't know if I hit this with the back bucket or with drove something into it, but I bent this pipe, which I got some other ones, but I'm gonna try to reuse this one and put this fitting. I bent this fitting to get it back in there. And then I got a little surprise that I mentioned in my last video that I want to showcase or try out. But first, we're going to see if we can't get this little jewel rigged up. I had to order these fittings twice. The first time I ordered them from JCB place. They told me they don't make them no more, and so they bought some aftermarket parts, which I don't really like doing too much, and they were the wrong ones, so I had to go up there and fight with them on that for a little while. And they finally found the right one in their system. They had it at another store here close. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Probably shouldn't have tightened that up just yet. Let's see, that can slide back. Alright. It's about halfway between, well, it's about an hour from where I live, but the other place is 30 minutes in the other direction. And it came in late, and finally got it today. Got almost home, they called me and told me I had it, and I'm needing to get it fixed, so I drove back down there and got it. This is gonna fight me the whole way, I bet you. But we won't let it win. Need to take that pipe off, but I'm not going to. My luck, I'll never get it back on. And I think the threads on this thing may be galled up. I don't know. We may have to go about this a different direction. Take this back off and start over, I think. Take it back out and see if it'll even go on the threads. That'd be a first test. Feels like it started. I don't know about that. I think I may just need to run over to the house and get that extra pipe, because it bent that while it was in there. Probably jacked the threads up. I don't want to mess this fitting up after I had so much trouble getting it. I might just have to bite the bullet on this piece of pipe. Yeah, let me go over and get it. I'll throw that one in the pile and have it for a spare, potentially. So let me get back over here in just a second. Alright, so I got back with the pipe. I got some taps that might clean them threads up, but I gotta get this thing going. Put it back to work. So had a flat on our Kubota, and I'm gonna use this to break the tire down. Put the outrigger on the bead and push it off there. Works pretty good since we don't have to any tire change equipment. See if this will get started. Seems like it, but we'll just see here. Oh yeah, we're in business on this. We'll get it not to leak. Got to tighten these up at the same time because there's only so much space the way this thing's piped in here. If I take that little pipe off, it'd make it a lot easier, but every time I take something loose, it wants to leak, so we're going to do it this way. And I bet you it's going to work just fine. Got these two bolts that you got to loosen up, and it'll move a little bit right there. But it's not got a lot of slack, honestly. Off, so it'll go right back. Alright, feel like we're about there. Wasp, we don't care nothing about you. Alright, I got that one. That one. That needs a little jewels down. It should have it. Don't leak. Pops off tight there. Maybe it won't rub a hole in it. Didn't get much room on this thing. And that's as far down as it'll go. Alright, let me see if there's a key in this thing. Oh, let me grab that out of the truck. Alright, let's see if this bad boy will start. It's been sitting here couple of weeks, but I bet it'll fire up. It's been doing pretty good lately. Probably shouldn't brag on it. How much benefit I'm getting out of that. So I had to top off the hydraulic fluid. Alright, so here's what I got. I got me a new little tool. So we're going to open her up here. Trusty dusty D-Walt knife. super sharp blade. This is what I use for grafting. Someday I'll get me a real grafting knife. Doesn't work too bad. Grafting knife has got a blade on one side and it's got two, so it makes it a little more difficult. But this is a tool from, the company is ProHoe. Yeah, everybody likes the hoe. Got this thing packaged up. You can't get in it real easy. But that's a good thing. Got it shrink wrapped up like nobody's business. Alright. I think this one had a 60-inch handle. I wasn't sure which one to get. They had a 54, but I figure I'll get the 60 if I have to cut it off. I'll cut it off, but the 54 I can't add to it. This company is out of Kansas. Let me get it open. I'll explain to you what it is, and then we'll demonstrate it. Might be one you want to use if it works like I think it will. Man, they don't want you in that. I know why they did what they did, and you will too here in just a minute, once I get it open. Well, if I can get it open. If you do get one of these, I'll get you a knife. Because they wasn't playing around. About got it though. That knife down before I get wounded. I've been a little accident prone lately, it seems like, so take every precaution I can get. Come on, little buddy. Alright, we're getting somewhere now. Alright. Rogue 6-inch scuffle hoe, 60-inch handle, scuffle hoe. This is a triangle shaped hoe. This company takes old disc blades and makes hoes out of them because the metal's good and tempered. And then they're recycling things. Like it'd be hard to keep getting this, but that's what they're committed to doing. Looks like they took some duct tape. Well, not really duct tape. Looks like electrical tape. And they taped up the edges. And the reason they did that is because this thing is sharpened on all sides. There we go. I mean, it ain't razor sharp. I don't know. That's pretty sharp. Just telling you, caution sharp. Alright, so let's get over here in the garden and I'll show you how this thing works. We'll see how good it does. Okay, so I haven't done any hoeing in this garden this year. Kind of got away from me a little bit. I'm not too worried about this corn, but I want to use this thing over here. So you're supposed to be able to push and pull, and it's supposed to get in there and get them. Like being in all these rocks, but oh yeah, that thing works sweet. Push and pull. It eats it up. a nice little tool. Too worried about this corn because it ain't gonna be too long. It's gonna be done, but I'll get over here around my okra, clean it up good. But you can see it's cleaning that stuff up nicely. These big chunks is actually pulling them out of the ground, which is not a bad thing to do. If you see it gets it, you get it clean. Mainly need to do in row. Yeah. So there you have it. Let's see what it's doing. Let's put the hurt to it. So I am happy with that purchase. Been using this thing a lot. Yeah. Get you back down to where you want to be. It doesn't take a lot of effort, honestly. So I just wanted to mainly highlight the hoe. It's a little close to my corn. And let y'all see what this thing can do. Now you can actually get in there close to it, that back motion. So I just wanted to highlight my new little tool here, let y'all take a look at it. If you like it, you can go search Rogue Tools, ProHoe. This is, like I said, a 6-inch scuffle hoe. They make an 8. I wasn't sure whether I wanted an 8 or 6, but I'm happy with the 6 so far. If you decide you want one, that'd be the place to get it. So that's going to wrap us up for today. I appreciate y'all watching, and hit that like, notification, and subscribe if you feel like it. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. I hope y'all are enjoying it, and take a look at how our garden's progressed. You can follow the videos back from early on until now, and you can see what we're getting. We're just now getting good harvest. It looks like our corn, some of it doesn't look like it's too far off. We're getting lots of zucchini and some Cherokee yellow wax beans. It looks like the tomatoes are just about to come on pretty soon too. So anyway, we'll catch you on the next one, and I appreciate y'all watching.